Wishing you all a very sweet morning, dear viewers. Today's video is all about the prepositions, as I have already made the video of parts of a speech as noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb and preposition. In this video, you will have to fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions, choosing one from the 4 alternatives given below each sentence. So, let's get started without wasting our valuable time. Dear viewers, I'm gonna read all the sentences with the right prepositions, so listen carefully. Here's the first sentence. There is a disturbing nexus between politics and sports in India. Second sentence is, Ritu's marriage with Rakesh was tumultuous. Third sentence is, baggage can be covered against loss or accident during travel. Next is, Rita kept talking loudly, oblivious of the fact that this was the college library and not the students' common room. Next is, after the advice of his father, he was reconciled to his wife. My father gets up every day at 5 o'clock. Next is, his path was beset with difficulties. Next sentence is, I have resigned myself to my fate. The train is behind time. He was struck by lightning. What do you make of all this? There's a book that you asked for. He plays cricket besides hockey. You should start at dawn to reach the station in time. I'm tired of writing to him. There's an exception to every rule. He cut his finger with a knife. 90 members voted in favor of the resolution. The parents are usually not satisfied about the performance of their children. Shylock was devoid in pity. The art exhibition is to be officially opened on Wednesday at 2 p.m. All the members of my family go to church on every Sunday in the morning, usually at 9 o'clock. Last year, his mother died of typhoid on the Christmas Eve. Good citizens always abide by the law. He died from want of medical aid. He has been afflicted with rheumatism and has almost been confined to bed for last 2 months. He apologized for his misbehavior. They listened to the music. The postscript to the letter says that he will be on leave from tomorrow. Perseverance is key to success. In the morning, I am often short of time and so I have a glance at the newspaper headlines. My friend has been suffering from fever since last Monday. We are committed to maintain peaceful relations with our neighbors. They quarreled with us over a trifle. A driver rescued him from drowning. I have not seen my friend since we left school. This room hasn't been opened for weeks. The teacher agreed to my proposal. Take your feet against the chair. I am afraid I cannot agree with you. My opinion on the subject is different from yours. Many people died of the epidemic. She is expert in singing. He deals in silk goods. He is busy with his work. Dear viewers, that's it for today. All these sentences are very useful and the most important for the preparations of UP TET. Let's call it a day. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, do subscribe, like the video and share the video as well. Keep taking a good care of yourselves. Thank you.